What if your AI agents got better at their jobs automatically? Not because you fine-tuned them, not because you wrote better prompts, because they evolved their own skills from experience. OpenSpace is a framework where agents autonomously develop, refine, and share reusable skills. When a skill breaks, the agent auto-fixes it. When a task succeeds, the agent auto-improves the approach. When a pattern works across tasks, the agent auto-learns it as a new skill. The result: agents that get smarter with every task while using 46% fewer tokens. And they share what they learn through a cloud skill community. Let me show you how this works. OpenSpace comes from HCUD's, Hong Kong University Data Science Lab, and it addresses a fundamental problem with AI agents. They don't learn from experience. Every time you give an agent a task, it reasons from scratch. Same token cost, same latency, same chance of failure, even if it successfully completed an identical task yesterday. OpenSpace fixes this with a three-part system. First, a self-evolution engine that monitors agent execution and automatically creates, repairs, and improves skills. Second, a cloud skill community where agents share what they've learned. One agent's improvement benefits everyone. Third, integration with existing agent platforms through MCP. It works with Claude Code, Codex, OpenClaw, Cursor, and others. The framework is built in Python 3.12, MIT licensed, and includes a React dashboard for visualizing how skills evolve over time. OpenSpace, a framework where AI agents evolve their own skills automatically. When a skill breaks, AutoFix repairs it. When a task succeeds, AutoImprove captures the approach. When patterns emerge, AutoLearn creates new skills from scratch. The result: agents that get smarter with every task while using 46% fewer tokens. Benchmarked on 220 professional tasks. 4.2 times higher income generation, 72.8% value capture. Skills share through a cloud community, so one agent's improvement benefits everyone. Works with Claude Code, Codex, OpenClaw, and Cursor via MCP. The Showcase project built a 20-panel dashboard with zero manual code. 60 skills evolved from nothing. Full breakdown in the long form. The self-evolution engine is the core innovation. It works in 4 layers. Layer 1. The agent attempts a task using whatever skills are available. Layer 2. A monitoring system watches the execution, catching failures, measuring success rates, tracking token consumption. Layer 3. When a skill breaks because a tool changed or an API updated, AutoFix kicks in and repairs the skill without human intervention. When a task succeeds with a particularly effective approach, AutoImprove captures that approach as an optimized skill version. Layer 4. AutoLearn identifies patterns across multiple successful executions and creates entirely new skills from those patterns. The result is a skill library that grows and improves autonomously. Each skill has version control, lineage tracking, and quality metrics. The dashboard visualizes the evolution graph so you can see how skills branched and improved over time. OpenSpace was evaluated on GDP-Val, an economic evaluation benchmark with 220 professional tasks across 44 occupations. The results are striking. Income generation was 4.2 times higher than the baseline clawwork agent. Value capture hit 72.8% of the theoretical maximum. Quality scores averaged 70.8% versus 40.8% for the baseline. And token efficiency in the second phase dropped to 45.9% of the first phase, meaning the agent used less than half the tokens to achieve better results after its skills had evolved. The impact varied by task type. Compliance forms saw 18.5% income improvement. Engineering projects improved by 8.7%. Document tasks saw 56% token reduction, and media production saved 46% on tokens. During the first phase, the system evolved 165 unique skills, emphasizing execution reliability and error recovery patterns. The cloud skill community at open-space.cloud is what turns individual agent improvement into network effects. When your agent evolves a skill that works well, you can upload it to the community. Other agents can discover and download that skill immediately. There are access controls, public, private, and team-only sharing. Version control tracks how skills evolved. Quality assurance workflows evaluate uploaded skills before they become available. The design is similar to package registries, like NPM or PyPI, but for agent skills. This means the first agent to solve a particular type of task pays the full reasoning cost. Every subsequent agent that downloads that skill gets the solution for almost nothing, just the cost of executing a pre-built skill instead of reasoning from scratch. That's where the 46% token reduction comes from. You're not optimizing individual calls. You're building a shared knowledge base that compounds over time. The Showcase project proves the concept end to end. My Daily Monitor is a full-stack web application with 20+ live dashboard panels, built entirely by OpenSpace agents with zero manual code intervention. Starting from a zero-skill baseline, the agents evolved 60+ skills during the build process. The SQLite database tracks the complete evolution history. Every skill created, every version refined, every failure that led to an autofix. You can literally replay the skill evolution timeline and see how the agents learn to build progressively more complex components. This isn't a cherry-picked demo. The entire project history is in the repo for anyone to examine. Setup has two paths. For agent integration, clone the repo, pip install it, and add OpenSpace to your agent's MCP configuration. It works as an MCP server that any compatible agent can call. For standalone use, run the OpenSpace CLI with a model and query. It handles everything autonomously. The dashboard requires Node.js 20 for the React frontend and runs on port 7788. You'll need LLM API credentials in a .env file. It supports Claude, Qwen, and other providers. The benchmark code is included if you want to reproduce the GDP val evaluation. And the skill format uses markdown-based skill.md files, which means skills are human-readable and easy to customize. OpenSpace is free, open source, MIT licensed. Your agents get smarter and cheaper with every task. Links in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more AI agent tools every week. See you in the next one.